Hello. The technology skill that I will be teaching today is how to use PowerPoint presentation online format. This is a distance education lesson created by myself, Allison Pasecco. I created this PowerPoint for my third grade class. They are using PowerPoint for the first time. The presentation needs to have the following in it: a title page, transitional slides, designs on the pages, adding a hyperlink, creating a table, and screen capturing the title page and put it at the end of your presentation. Now I must remind my fellow students that this project is being done during computer lab. So this is a distance education lesson where you will create something in a different class and then bring it back to me when the assignment is due. So now I will teach you how to create a PowerPoint that's fun and engaging. The first objective of this presentation is to show how to make a title page that can be designed in a different way. So to create a title page, you would like to go to Home, New Slide. You can click here as a title page, Title and Content, Section Header, To Content. So there's title only, there's different types of slides. The standard slide is the title slide, where you add slide. Here you would write your title. So if you were doing a presentation on your favorite book, you could write your favorite book here, or you could write my favorite book. And you would write your name. Don't forget about your name. You are the author here. If you want a different type of slide, you would go to Home, New Slide. You could do this type of title page. So you would insert it, my favorite book. Now if you want it smaller, if you want it at the bottom of the page, you can really drag it and move it wherever you would like. It's up to you. As long as you have your title and who the presentation is by, then that's all that matters. So there's your title page. After your title page, you're going to want to create a new page. So you would go to Home, New Slide. You could click which slide you want, Add Slide. Now the second objective is to create fun transitions between slides. This makes a PowerPoint more interesting and fun to watch. When creating transitions, you want to make sure you have a few different slides already. To create a transition in a slide, go to Transitions right here at the top. You're going to click it, and then you're able to preview the different transitions by clicking on the different options. So here we have None, we have Morph, Cut, Fade, Push, Wipe, Split. If you click this, you get more options. Shape. So I personally like the push, so I would click this. I can do from the bottom, from the left, from the right, from the top. I'm going to click from the top, and I'm going to click Apply to All, and you can add the amount of time that you want in your slide. So you'll be able to tell that your transition was added to the slide by looking at the left corner next to your slides, and you see the little star. Now to preview it, you can go to your full screen, and if you click to go to the next slide, you could see that the transition was there. So moving on to our third objective. The third objective is to create a design for all the slides. Now as you can see, my PowerPoint right now is pretty boring. It's white and it just has words. It's not very interesting. So I want to create it so my students will see that it is fun and you can have fun with PowerPoint because learning is also fun. So to do this, to create a design, you have to go to the top of where it says Design. Now here at the top it has different ones already for you, or you can click the down arrow and it has a bunch. I like to pick a design that fits with my project. So for instance, this project I'm teaching you, so there's really not something that's going to teach you. You can really click any of them. So I want something that my students will like and enjoy, but also it's not too much where they get distracted. So I'm going to click this nice blue one. Now it has gone to all of my slides, which is nice because you don't have to go individually and click them all. You can also just click them and it will go right away. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes. So now at the top, I have the title and then how to do something. So I'm going to change it to this one. Here's my title on this side. So every option that you pick in the design might have it in a different way on the screen. So objective 4, the fourth objective, is to show how to add a hyperlink to a website. Now this is fun because in the project that my students will be doing, they have to find a website that they really like and a game that they really like to play, and they have to include it in their PowerPoint. So to do this, you're going to go to a website you would like to add to your presentation. So for instance, I'm going to go to my home screen here where I can click something to search. I'm going to go and I'm learning about classrooms, how to set up a classroom. So classroom materials needed. So just something standard. Then what I've done here is, here's the different types of websites. I'm going to click one. And this one looks great, 19 essential materials that every teacher needs in the classroom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the URL, I'm going to copy the URL, then I'm going to go back to my presentation. Then what I'm going to do is go to a new slide. I have to insert a new slide. I will insert a new slide, and I'm going to paste my URL. Now my URL here is the website here. Now another way I can do it so people can go and click on it. Once you press enter, it's there. So when I go into my presentation view, I can click on here on the actual URL and it will bring me right to the website. So that's pretty cool because then you can add what you would like. And I'll go back to my presentation. And it looks